Want to know how to upgrade your products, belongings, and gadgets and still save cash? Obodo is the solution. Obodo is a game-changing barter buy and sell marketplace that allows you to trade your products for another with the possibility to earn extra cash. That's not all. You can use Obodo's classifieds to list products for sale and purchase products. Still got questions on barter? Let me walk you through them. To barter, simply snap the product you want to barter, describe it, and put a price evaluation on it. Select your product category, then select your barter category. But don't stop there. Describe exactly what you want. For example, you want to exchange your laptop by a mobile phone. Select the brand category and describe the specs to help the AI search algorithm match what you are looking for. And post, and you are done. Now it's our turn to help you find it. In your profile, under the barter section, you are in control. When your product has matched, they are listed under your product in the matching list. There, you can add the matching items to your offers list, and offers can be sent, received, and edited whenever you are ready. See? Easy as ABC. Download Obodo today and start bartering.